3, 2, 1.
Safety is important, especially in the machine shop. To ensure you stay looking like you, here are some helpful safety tips to follow. Safety glasses are #1 priority here. You won't want to get a piece of metal in your eye. Make sure you keep your work area clean. It makes working easier and keeps you safer. And another thing, wear closed-toed shoes. For more safety rules, go online or ask someone who knows about it. Remember, safety keeps you yourself. Nobody was harmed in the making of this video.